Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this velocity edit on CapCut PC. So we're just going to go to the part where he starts dancing, like here I guess. I'm just going to split it. I'm also going to go to speed and I'm going to slow it to 0.5x speed, and I'm going to select smooth slow-mo, and I'm going to select optical flow, and I'm just going to wait for it to process a little bit. Does take a few minutes to do so. And then once you're done, go to the clip, right? And you're just going to right click on it and you're going to select create compound clip, but I'm just waiting for this to process. So wait for it till it gets like 100% here. There we go. Create compound clip to lock in that speed. Then you are going to, Then you're going to add in the video again. Right click, separate audio. Right click on the audio. Oh, sorry, no. Select auto beats here and then select beats 2. That's what I meant. Now you're going to go to the first beat, skip it, go to the second one, and the third one, and then split it. But on the video, not on the sound. Select the video, go to speed, curve, flash in, and again, first beat, skip it, go to the third one, split it, add in flash in, and you're just going to keep on doing that for like all of the clips, like so. Flash in, skip a beat, go to the third one, flash in. And you're going to, keep on doing that. Wow, there's a lot on this video, so maybe I'm just going to stop there. And if you want to add a flash, you can just go to library, add in a white stock video on top, blend mode, overlay. And what I like to do is I like to create my own flash. So add a keyframe at the middle, and at the beginning, make it 0%. 100, and then at the end make it 0% again, and you can just copy and paste it to all of your videos and try to make it like in the middle. It is kind of a tedious process because there's no like automatic velocity yet on PC, but I do hope they like have it soon because it's very important. And, like, basically all the styles, I do hope they have it. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.